Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Kassi and I'm your host. And you are looking at my 4th of July giveaway. This is open to residents of the contiguous United States only. I do have my giveaways open to the US and Canada, and once I hit 5,000, I'll be opening that up internationally. But for now, let's go ahead and talk about this giveaway. So this giveaway has 3 winners, okay? And I want to talk about what's the same in all of them, and then we'll talk about what's different, okay? So everybody gets a canvas tote. Now these are reusable grocery bags. They're nothing real fancy, but one winner will win the red one, okay? One winner will win the blue one, and one winner will win the white one. All right, and everybody is going to get these items. They'll just be in red, white, and blue colors, and they'll all come in an organza bag. But we are going to go through this one so that we can find out everything that's in the organza bag for all 3 of them. Okay, so first off, everybody gets a Hobie candy. I know it's not from the United States, but I have a lot of Hobie candy stashed up, and they're in red wrappers, so hey, it works. You're also going to get a row counter. Now, the way that these work is when you reach the end of the row, you hit the big button, and that will set your row to the first row, and hit it again for the second. Okay, and you just keep going when you finish your rows, okay? And that way you'll be able to keep track of your rows for those projects where you need to. When you want to clear it, all you have to do is press this small button and it will clear back to 0. I'll just show you again. Here it's on 2. You press that and it'll go back to 0. So you'll get one of these. It has a little band that you can put on your finger, but I like to just keep it on the table flat. You can do with it what you will. Okay, everybody is going to get a tape measure in their organza bag. It'll be either white, red, or blue. And everybody is going to get a plastic yarn needle. That's just really good for weaving in your ends. I just think that they're so they're so helpful. So I'm giving away one for each of you. I do have to say though, the ones in the red bag and the blue bag are not red, white, and blue. I didn't have all of the colors, so I hope you're okay with that. Then everybody is going to get 9 red, white, and blue stitch markers as well. And now we are done with the organza bag. Okay, so 2 winners will win 9 of these skeins. Now these are kind of small. I want to show you in my hand, okay, so you know. But they are a fine weight too, okay? So 2 of the winners will win 3 of the whites, 3 of the red, and 3 of the blue. Now this is Schottenmeier Katina. It's a 50-gram ball. It is cotton, and it's 1.7 ounce or 137 yards in each one of these little balls. Okay, so you get 9 of them. Now, a 3rd winner will get the same stuff that's in the organza bags, but they'll only get 1 of each of these cotton balls. But they will also get this Cotton King that's a red, white, and blue. I just happened to get this in the mail just yesterday, and if you look closely, you can see that this has multiple threads running through it, okay? Just want you to be able to see that. I'm trying to find my camera. There it is. Okay, so hopefully you can see that there's multiple threads. What I will do is I will include a bead for whoever wins this one, so that you can put it through these strings. I'll put it in this organza bag. That way all the strings will stay together as you're crocheting or knitting with it, and it should be easy to work up. Now this is also made of cotton, okay? So all of this is cotton, and I'm really excited about it. So we have 3 people who are going to win. So there's going to be something a little bit different about how you enter. So I wanted to tell you that. So what I want you to do to enter is I want you to find another video of mine. Doesn't matter which one, doesn't matter if you watched it before, it doesn't matter. I just want you to find another video of on my channel, which is NicheCraft, okay? I've got a lot of videos, so you should be able to find one. And I just want you to watch it all the way through for me. If you could do that, that would be great. And then come back to this video, this giveaway video, like the video and leave a comment. You can say whatever you want in the comment as long as it's nice, you know. I mean, if you say something, you know, mean, or if you use, you know, bad words, I'll probably just delete it. But all you have to do is leave a comment and you will be entered, okay? I'm gonna have to just trust you though that you have watched one of my videos, okay? So now please watch to the end so you can hear all of the terms and conditions, because it's really important that you guys understand exactly what this giveaway is about, all right? Okay, YouTube is not associated with this giveaway in any way. This is my giveaway purchased with my own money for subscribers to my channel, NicheCraft. This giveaway is open to residents of the contiguous US only. To enter the giveaway, find another video on NicheCraft and watch it to the end. When you're done, like and comment on this video, the giveaway video. I will choose a winner by random comment picker on June 20th at 6 p.m. Okay, so I'm going to be getting them out pretty quick. That way you guys can have them by the 4th of July. So you know what you need to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for entering. Good luck. I still have a relatively small channel, so you have a relatively good chance of winning one of these bags if you enter. Remember, I have another giveaway going on right now, so make sure that you enter that as well. And I just wanted to say each one of these bags is valued at around, I mean, the whole package is probably valued at around $30 each. That's $30 US dollars, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, somewhere between $30 and $50 is what I'm going to go ahead and price each one of these as, just so you guys know, you know, the relative value of them. All right. Thank you so much. I will see you soon with another video. Bye for now.